In this video, we are going to learn how to perfectly auto image vector tracing in InkScape. So as you can see, this is our mandala image that we will be vector tracing. Open the InkScape software. Click on the New Document. Click on the File menu. Click on Open. Now open the image. Then go to menu bar. Click on the path. Click on the trace bitmap. Keep the detection mode brightness cut off. Click on apply. Now delete the previous image. So you can see that our image is perfectly vector traced. Now we will save it. Click on the File menu. Click on Save As. Keep SVG format. Click on the Save button. As you can see, this is our vector file. You can change the color by importing this vector file into Adobe Illustrator. Thanks for watching the video.